for January 8th on the Mont Sombre. That's where we're going. We're doing one summit right now, and then we're gonna try to do a second summit later. It looks like we're gonna be alone for this hike, so that's kind of exciting. I'm the only one parked here, so if there are other people that's gonna be on the path, it's gonna be locals. Here, you can actually choose if you want to go to the summit on an easy trail or an intermediate trail. So you can kind of choose a challenge you want to have while going up. Let's go for the intermediate one. I'm all alone, there's no one here to na. Does anybody know what song I just sang? I don't know either. Whew. Avoid the branches. Alright, we're coming to the view. What? There's no more trails. Are you saying this is the view? No. What? In the summer, this would not be a view. There would only be trees and leaves. No, that can't be true. Oh well. We tried to get a view. Here's another sign for the lookout. But as you can see, nobody tapped any trail. So maybe the lookout is actually, it's just that somebody hasn't walked there yet. And I don't want to adventure in this snow when I only have my micro spikes. Oops. Dropped my glasses. Woo. Alright, so we climbed the summit, we went around, and now we're heading towards the lake, the Lac Sombre. Interesting. They have two paths here. One where you can have dry feet, apparently, and then the other path where you'd have wet feet. Let's go down the wet feet path. We're heading towards the lake. Let's see where we are. And we're right at the tip. We're halfway. Gorgeous day. Just look at how blue the sky is. Oh, we gotta go under the tree. And voila, we're already on our way back. It's so gorgeous. I was alone the whole time here. I must say, I find it very enjoyable being out here. Ooh, sorry, shaky. I find it really enjoyable just being out here all alone. And I can hear the birds, even though it's super cold. It's just so nice. And here's another tree. We're gonna have to do some limbo. Let's see him. Whew. No, I can't do it. We're just gonna have to bend over. That was a fail. And this completes our first hike of the day. An awesome, awesome day to go do some hiking. Beautiful blue skies, sunny, no one. It's so fun. So we're back in the car, taking a break before heading out to the next destination. And I'm just gonna warm up a little bit with my hot water and tea. Let's enjoy some of this. Ooh, that's a disaster bound to happen. Let's not film and do this at the same time. Hey guys! Thank you for coming on the journey with me on Le Mont Sombre, which is in Saint-Donat. This is a mountain that's 524 meters high in altitude. This is a great hike if you are still beginning your hiking journey and would like to try out a trail that's maybe a little more intense than a beginner trail, because you can mix up beginner and intermediate all along the trail. So here there is free parking, there's nice bathrooms that's used also for a skating rink that's right beside, and there's no entrance fee. This is a great place because you get to walk in the forest. It's very lightly frequented, so there's not a lot of people there. It can be a nice place to go with friends, family, or alone. There's a picnic table at the summit. So in the summer, I'm sure it would be a nice spot to enjoy. So you have some views at the top, and then you have some views beside le lac Sombre, so beside the lake. And this is just a great hike to do if you're starting off. So thank you for following me on this journey. I hope you go on your own, and now it's time for you to go take a hike.